Episode 10, Vodka Sauce with crispy pancetta. Welcome back. Let's get started by thinly slicing some garlic. Here I'm doing 4 cloves, but I regret that. Next time, I'm gonna do 10, because it's just that good. Then, we rough chop some Italian parsley, or basil if you're into that. And then rough chop some pancetta. I know it looks like it does nothing, but I assure you, it doesn't. Then, get your whole San Marzano tomatoes and blend them until smooth. You can use 2 big cans, I use 3 because I'm a monster. Add a little oil and cook up the pancetta until they are crispy little boys. Scoop them out and save the oil. In that hot, fatty oil, toss a medium diced onion, saute until they get soft. A few minutes later, slide them to the side, add your garlic slices. Once they start getting golden brown, mix them all together. Add your tomatoes. Mix until you realize you need a bigger pot. That's better. Now add the rest of the liquefied tomatoes. Let them simmer for 10 minutes. Add 1 cup of vodka. 2 cups of cream. My preference is about 2-to-1 cream to vodka ratio. Keeps the sauce from getting too bitter, for me at least. You can do whatever you want, it's your life. Now toss in half your parsley and a dash of pecorino romano. And a little tomato paste. Let simmer for at least 20 minutes. Check the flavor, balance. More cream, more vodka, more cheese, whatever you want, it's your sauce. And make sure you boil those nudes. Once it tastes good, throw it in a pan, let it get hot, add a ton of pasta because you added too much sauce. Toss to coat. Top with more parsley and crispy pancetta. Now, just unhinge your jaw, pour the whole pan into your face. Enjoy your vodka sauce. It's quite tasty. Super easy. And that's it for this episode. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next week.